Hi, this is Debbie with Food Prepping Channel, and today I'm going to show you a keto recipe for Brussels sprouts. My daughter told me about this, so I'm going to try it. We're going to see what it tastes like. I've got my frying pan here, and I just fried up a pound of bacon because I've gone back to keto, and I'm trying to keep something here so I can eat breakfast in the morning. And so I just fried up a pound of bacon, and I've got the grease back here, and I put a little bit in this pan. And here's my Brussels sprouts. I've cut the ends of them off and then pulled those loose leaves off, and now I'm going to put these in the microwave for 3 minutes. That's what my daughter told me to do, so we're going to try this, see how it does. It's a little bit of water in here, but when I get them out of the microwave and put them in the pan, of course I won't put that water in there, but like I said, I'm going to go on and put these in the microwave now for 3 minutes, and I'll bring you back when I get ready to put them in the frying pan. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so these have been in the microwave for 3 minutes, and they really stink. They don't smell nothing like they taste. But in my frying pan, I've got 2 tablespoons of bacon grease and a half a stick of butter. And I'm going to go on and put these in here and fry them up. And then we're going to see what fried Brussels sprouts taste like, because I've never had them this way. So I've only had them roasted and boiled. Yeah, boiled, not boiled, but roasted and boiled. Alright. And then I'm going to put salt and pepper on them just to taste. Not any certain amount or anything. I'm just going to zoom it in so you can see better. Alright. That's just regular iodized table salt there. And then here's my pepper. And I'm going to have to get some aluminum foil, I think, and put over. That's one thing about these pans, is they do not have lids to them. I love my pans from my NuWave, but they do not have lids for them. So, and I've got my NuWave on 275, which is medium heat on your stove, or whatever you're cooking yours on. If you're using a NuWave, it's 275. If you're using your stove, it's just going to be your medium setting. And I think I'm going to turn this down to between medium low and medium, and cover this with aluminum foil and just let these cook in here. So I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, I covered this with aluminum foil, and I've just been letting it fry in the pan here, and I'm telling you, my house stinks. This puts off a way more of an odor than when you roast them, and that's what I'm used to doing, is roasting my Brussels sprouts. So I really don't like the smell very much. I don't know. I mean, I know they're good. I know they're gonna taste amazing, but I don't like the smell. So I'm gonna have to get past the smell. So I'll bring you back when they're done. Okay, I'm back. Alright, some of the Brussels sprouts were burning, and I just got them out, and I'm wrapping them in aluminum foil so that they can cook more. And I got some out that was already cooked to taste them. And these are, I cooked 2 packages of them. So these are for my dinner this week. My lunch and my dinner. But I wanted to show you these and get them up here so you can see them. They look really good. Need more salt on them. Definitely. Alright, let me taste another one now. It's got more salt on it. They're not quite as good as roasted. I don't know why my daughter, evidently she can make them better than I can. They're good, but they're not near as good as the roasted is. So, and it did take a good 45 minutes to cook these, which I cooked them on low because I didn't want them to burn too bad. So, but anyway, there's just another way to make Brussels sprouts. I'm always figuring out different ways to make something. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check below in the description box for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and to different things that you can purchase at Amazon, which won't cost you any more, but it does help the channel with buying food for the videos and stuff like that. So, you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.